Hey people, me, and as you can see, I'm here in Chicago's 2011 blizzard. We really got hit hard here because there's this snowdrift right here, and it's taller than me. Here, and some parts it's taller than me. So, basically our snow-covered vast canyon here. Over here, it's up to our windows. Hi, peoples. I'm videotaping this. I'm videotaping it.
Oh, you're videotaping. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Alright,
So,
I'm going in, yo.
alright. See you later.
I don't want you out here too much longer.
I won't.
Did you put your shovel in already?
Yep.
Alright.
And last night was little mini snow tornadoes. So, this is basically how our area ended up. And I'll show you something now. As you can see, there's actually some really cool beauty to all of this. Like, here. Just go moving across. I thought that was really pretty, and earlier today, this was just all the way across. It was like a little snow desert. Here's our roof with our snow about to collapse. And how deep it is. Here is our unplowed driveway. We're having some difficulty getting the plows to get over here. So, you can see the snow up to there in our garage, so you can see good. And this all ice, all got frozen. So here is our snow, nature-made snow wall. We dug this out this morning, and we couldn't even get out of our door this morning because, as you can see, the snow up to there, and our door goes up to here on our door today. It's about up to my shoulder, touching the window. We couldn't get out. So, this is basically Chicago's 2011 blizzard. Like up there on the roof. Here, touching our window. And the rest of the snow-filled land. Thank you for watching. As always, subscribe, message, favorite, and rate. Thank you. Well, rate. Oh, never mind. So, it's the beauty of our blizzard and my red face, because it's really freezing cold out here, and I can't feel my face anymore. So, can't feel my hands either. And so, I'm going to go inside, have some hot chocolate or something. So, I shall see you all later, and so basically, subscribe, favorite, and message me. Thank you. Bye.